Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rhonnel, and for today's video, we will be doing a do-it-yourself desk/vanity makeover since I got this simple white table from Mandawi Foam, and I will be turning this one into a vanity area and at the same time a working space as well. For the vanity area, it will be all pink, and for the working desk naman, it will be green kasi those are two of my favorite colors. And as you can see sa room ko, it's teal, and it's a mix of teal and blush. So if you want to see the outcome, then please continue watching. So here's the table that I'm talking about. It's just super simple. It's a plain white table. And unahin muna natin yung vanity area, which is all pink. This is all white and pink. So of course, maglalagay tayo ng lamp dito sa side na to. Diyan. And then maglalagay tayo ng mirror. This is just a simple bathroom mirror which I got from Mandawi Foam. I got this for only 300 pesos, tapos may discount pa yun. And ang tanong, paano natin siya pa tatayuin? So I saw this sa mga lumang decor ng mom ko. Alam niyo yun, yung nilalagyan ng mga plato na display. So we will be using this as the mirror stand. Look at that. Diba? It's super nice. And then, naglagay lang ako ng mga pink elements dyan. Ito, napakita ko na to sa previous video ko. And if you haven't seen my home decor haul, I'll put the link down below. Tapos, ayan. And then, we'll just add some, some essentials which can add beauty to this vanity area. Here's the outcome for the vanity area. Pina-vertical ko na lang yung mirror kasi it looks better that way compared sa horizontal. And here are just some of, colognes, makeups, and accessories. Diba? It's very aesthetically pleasing and very Instagrammable. Alam niyo naman, these days, kailangan lahat Instagrammable. Ang cute lang ng color niya. Actually, hindi ako mahilig sa pink. Pero, this specific color, ano ba to, blush, may pagka-peach. Gustong-gusto ko siya. Parang it's very youthful, nakakabata siya. Hindi naman kailangan talaga maging super mahal yung mga gamit nyo. Like, this is just very cheap. And yung stand niya, na-recycle lang natin. Tapos, yung iba dito, ang mumura lang. Like for this one, this is only $1.99. Ngayon naman, i-transform na natin siya into a working space, to a working area where you can, edit photos, do your stuffs. Like if you're a designer, you can do your fashion illustrations here and whatnot. So let's now start. Since it's all green, kailangan may plant tayo. And this is real. I got this from our garden. This is my mom's plant. Mahilig siya sa mga tanim. So let's just put it here. Yan pa lang ang ganda na tingnan. How much more if malagyan pa ng iba. Over here, napakita ko na to sa home decor haul ko and I think bagay siya dyan. I have here a garapon. Nakuha ko lang to sa dirty kitchen namin. Siguro, galing to sa mayonnaise. And you can actually use this one, to put your pencils, scissors, and, everything. Diba? Ang nice. Hindi talaga kailangan maging mahal or maging magasto for you to have an Instagrammable working area. Color pen. Lagay lang natin yan. Tadaan! Isn't it so cute? Medicine bottles. Luma na siya. Hinugasan ko lang. Gawin lang natin siyang pang-design, pang-decorate. I'm thinking of putting it here. Ayan. Diba ang cute niya? Naglagay lang ako ng magazine. Ang cute. Dahon-dahon din siya, so matchy-matchy sila. Ayan. So I just added this pillow. This is a super nice pillow. I mean, the print is super cute. It really matches the whole look of our working table, working space rather. I just added a speaker para every time mag-work ka, you can just play, some K-pop songs. K-pop talaga. And then, ito, case lang ng glasses ko. And then, you can actually put your laptop here or your iPad Pro or anything na ginagamit mo. If you're working or if you're editing or if you're illustrating, anything. So that's it guys, that's the outcome of our working space. Remember guys, hindi lahat ng mahal maganda at hindi lahat ng mura at nakikita mo lang sa tabi-tabi pangit. For some, basura na to, but look at it. Look at that, diba? Ang ganda-ganda. It's really cute, it's very minimalist. It's very aesthetically pleasing. It's very Instagrammable. See? Hindi tayo gumasto ng malaki para magmukhang ganyan yan. Enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you again on my next video. God bless us all. Bye!